Hello friends, very good evening. This is Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And today also we are not able to conduct the live session as we expected. But what happened? So some other important issues. So that is why we are not available today. And how we are going to make intraday trade. So how based on that charting scanner, so that we are going to discuss here in this video, and also how the candlesticks formation it forms. So here I made a alert for that. So intraday doji at bottom, intraday doji at top, and a shooting star with a 15 minutes time frame, and hammer at the bottom. So that was giving you such a great trade ideas about today's scenario that was updating on intraday basis in a real time. So that gives you such a nice. So let's try it out. And as per our today's trade, so we say Bank Nifty will move down in the morning based on 15 minutes time frame because of it is open above previous day high. So that is what another important factor. The market it started above the previous day high price, but it not able to sustain over there, and it was ending with the lower. So that will give you some clear informations whether the price is rejecting on the day's high as well as previous day above high it opened. So it is give you clear information about the selling trend. So we find somewhere around 36,000 here, 36,000 um, 36,066 was the entry which you are made for today, and perfectly it happened, and it not breaking that high of the day which is made by the opening, and end of the day Bank Nifty it started falling near about 500 points from that 15 minutes ORB breakout. So that is what the power where the stock is opened above previous day high. There is a lot of power. The stock uh, can move up or down, but the initial stage itself it will be telling you how or where it is going to be the trend. So it is clearly gives you entry. So that was we are find out in the morning. That clearly gives somewhere around 500 points for a Bank Nifty with the risk of 220 points. And the Nifty little bit tricky, and it opened by doji candle in the morning, and initially as per our doji candlesticks pattern, so first trade which is happening by, so that was fails, right? The trade where it is around 16,675 to 16,641 is the high and low, where it is broke the high and unable to break that higher level, and it gives you the stop loss around 35 points. But whenever it breaks below that level, it is keep on going down, and end of the day it moves towards to somewhere around 100 points it moves down. So that is the power when the candlesticks is open above previous day high. So that is what a more power where we can focus for a buy as well as sell. So that is what the information as well which I want to like to give you right now. So whenever the stock opens above previous day high, lot of power is there. Okay, as well as previous day low, again there is a lot of power. Okay, and the stock as per the candlesticks pattern, we find out only two stocks today because of less time. So the one which is Tata Consumer Product, where the doji high is broken and it gives you such a profit, and it moves towards to 845, near about 845 from 837, sorry, 836 points. So somewhere around it moved near about 8 points, where we are taking the risk of 607 rupees is the risk, that 1:1 it gives. And another one stock which we are taken for a PI Industries, that was giving you such a buy opportunity at the day low point, and it is broken the low, and end of the day it moves down. So where the opportunity fails here, so we have failure as well as success when we are making a risk reward ratio very clear, even we can go to make such a great kind of money. But if we check that the first candle, it given a breakdown below 3200 with a stop loss of 3238, where it made low 3100 in as per this candle. So we got the target, but it is a huge one, so that is why we are not focusing for that. So the doji candle, right? Now we go for the alert. What are the stocks which gives you the alerts, and how we can effectively do the trade on that alerts? Let's go for that. Let's copy all the scan report at an Excel sheet. So let's go for a edit that one, and we will sort, or we will give you the filters. So first we will go for intraday shooting star kind of pattern. Okay, you see this much of stocks where forms a shooting star almost. So we got somewhere around 10 opportunity which is present today. Let's check about the shooting star of this candle. One is boss, so this is a high value stock, so even we can check for that in a 15 minutes time frame what is the trade scenario. Now it forms a very big candle at that first time, so we may ignore because of the big one. And the second one which we got is around by 9:45. One is Bank of Baroda, another one is Nippon India, Nippon Asset Management Company. So the Nippon India Mutual Fund, right? So let's see Bank Baroda. So less value stock. What happened in that? Bank Baroda. Bank Baroda. So where it is forms the kind of pattern at 9:30, where it is exactly it forms somewhere around here. So look like this doji, it forms in middle, and it is not giving you such a power. Initially it broke the high as well as it broke the low. So the gap for the trade is 78.22, so 50 paisa. Initially it triggers your 50 paisa stop loss. From there it comes down to another 50 paisa target. So if you are following this, you don't have any good opportunity in this particular stocks. But the same if you are following continuously, we will see the bottom doji and it gives you the breakout entry from 77.8 and it moves towards 79.6, 2 rupees, right? So when you follow the candlesticks pattern, that will give you a star, and this is what more powerful shooting star pattern which forms today. And let's take that one. You look at this, it forms a great shooting star pattern around 10:15, where the risk for the trade is somewhere around 5 rupees. From there the low of 638.5, it moves towards 626, almost 12 points, where it is generated with a 5 rupees risk. So how we can find? To look at this candle compared to previous one, it was in middle, and this is not looks like a shooting star. Here if you check that one, it's perfect shooting star, forms at the day high and also be the top. So that gives you such a great return on our intraday. Just a second, just where there is a shooting star which forms at a day high, that is having more power to make such an intraday profit, right? So let's compare two scenarios, and the third one Adani Ent and M&M Fin. So let's go for that Adani Ent, Adani Port, sorry, Adani Enterprise. So let's see Adani Ent, where it is forms a doji at this time at 10:15, that is a 10:30 candle. Here it moves immediately down and it is started and stop loss and reversed big. But if you check that there is a candlesticks Harami candlesticks pattern at this point of time, where it is broke above that level, so it is moving high. So when you compare all the kind of candlesticks pattern, that will give you such a nice result. And Alchem, PEL, BHEL, so a lot of stocks were coming for the scanner. Let's go for one by one. Alchem. But what is the time for that scanner, which forms around 11:15. So this one. So this is also be not good. Okay, but it forms, but it is not giving you such a breakdown. It was giving you higher than that, then it is moving higher, right? So let's find out such a great kind of opportunity. So that will give you the only the stock which is forming a perfect shooting star, that is star. And let's go for a trend. And this is what the here, but this is also not also be the perfect one. I think this is the previous days levels we are mentioning it, right? So we'll so not good. Okay, So this way we can filter out. And the second filter where we can go for a doji at top. So a lot of stocks. So whenever doji at top and bottom, when you see that first candle, so it will show you doji at top as well as doji at bottom, because the day high and day low fixed by the first 15 minutes, now it is showing high as well as low, right? Adani Ent, and the second one is Adani Ent. Let's go for Apollo Hospital. So yesterday it moves very big, right? And today it forms a very big candle, right? Apollo Hospital. When I see that Apollo Hospital, it forms a very big candle, but it started moving down, but very big, so we cannot able to make the target. Okay, so let's close this. Stopping. Adani Ent. Nifty also forming doji at top at 10:30. So let's go for Adani Enterprise, where it is forming doji at top. I hope this may be at 9:30. So where it is broken that level, and it was broken high as well as low. The small point where it is 4 rupees up and down, and but the downside it comes to somewhere more than 4 points, right? And Nifty also forms a doji at top. Doji at top here 10:30, where it is broken, that the risk for the trade is just somewhere around 11-12 rupees. From that 12 rupees it moves towards somewhere around more than 100 plus points, where it is forms a doji at the topest level. So it is such a great kind of intraday profit in Nifty. So that I'm planned tomorrow market will be holiday. So Friday and next week onwards we will do some different thing on our live session, and we will make such an intraday profit as like a professional trader. Okay, so I am planning for that, and I was doing a lot of work on that. So we will do that. And if you anyone who want to learn my paid option strategies, you are welcome and you can join with me. The second stock, which is Dr. Reddy, we will check that where it is forms 10:45, 11 o'clock. Let's check it out. It is forming at 11:15, so 11 o'clock. This is the candle where it is forms. Initially it breaks the high, but the candle is not looks like a shooting star because it is a green candle. So when highest level, when you find out the candlestick which is in a red and color, so that will give you even more confident, right? So that I'm going to do one by one. So I will make changes in my scanners, so that will give you such a great opportunity. So second top UPL. So when it is forming around 3 o'clock, so it is not good for our intraday time frame. Okay, so when it forms at highest level of the day, that gives you such a great power to reverse, right? And the second one, hammer. The third one is hammer. So let's go for that. How it is looking like. So the Berger paint started by 9:45. Let's see what happened in Berger paint. So we'll check the Berger paint at 9:45, 9:30. This is what the candle where it forms a hammer like that. But it is not able to break that high, so we don't have any trade opportunity at this point. And instead of that moving higher, it is going down, so we don't have an opportunity in Berger paint. And EMGL and HDFC. So EMGL is around 11 o'clock, HDFC around 10:15. So let's go for a HDFC at 10:15. So I think this may be the candle where it is risk for the trade is 36 to 46, somewhere around how much it is, somewhere around 10 rupees, where it is broken that level and it moves toward to 53 from 36 to 53. So we are taking the risk for the trade is 36 to 46, 10 rupees from 46 to it moves to 53, so not triggering your target, and it breaks below the low from 72736. It moves towards to 292697, almost some 40 points down. So when the reversal candle is fails, the market it may reverse the trend also. So that is also we can focus it out. This was looks good for our intraday time frame, right? And MGL. The MGL which forms here some great kind of thing which is around 10:55, around 10:45, where it is broken that level of 1126 with a stop loss below 5 rupees is the risk for the trade, and it moves towards 38 from 26 to almost 12 rupees. It gives us more than 1:2 risk reward ratio. When initially we focus for a trade, so we will always focus on some good quality stocks to take intraday. So even we get a lot of scanners and screeners, so we will focus high volume stocks, even it will give you more power. So if a low volume stock will not trade very big, so sometimes most of the times we got the doji candle every time, so 1 2 3 4 5, so lot of doji candles, because of it is not trading very well. So if good volume stocks which forms a doji or a hammer or whatever the pattern, so it will have more power, right? So that is also we need to be keep in mind, right, using that doji. So that will give you such a great result when the reversal is happen at high or low. Let's go for finally doji at bottom today. We find lot of stocks which forms, and Tata Consume and TCS is the 945. Let's see what happened. Consume forms that we have already taken that, okay, and TCS. So these are the stocks we are not waited to screen. I think TCS also works good from 3549 to 3594. That was giving you such a great result and TCS. But these are the things we are not seen. Indigo and Titan. Next one around 1015. Indigo also not good volume. Let's check it out where it is forms. At this level, I think at 10 o'clock, but it is not able to break that level, and instead of that it started moving down. Okay, so whenever we find out the reversal at the bottom, so whenever the reversal fails, then we are going to take a new opportunity. So a lot of stocks which forms doji at bottom. Let's go for that. AST, this is also forming doji at bottom somewhere around here. So that is also give you such a great movement, and two doji pattern which forms. So most of the time when the doji pattern forms at the low, we will focus buy opportunity. But after that buy entry trigger, if it is goes to stop loss, we will reverse also. But initially itself it goes to selling point, so we don't go for that. Okay, so I hope this may be some useful video to you all my followers. Because of you only I was very much interested to teach you a lot of things. And if anyone want to learn my paid sessions, so you also contact me my WhatsApp, and we are planning to provide you tips like that also in futures. So just stay tuned and keep subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.